To purchase an S&P 500 index fund on an online trading platform. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by logging into your account on the platform's website using your user ID and password. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can view all of your accounts. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen and enter S&P 500 Index Fund to retrieve a list of available index funds related to your search query. Select the desired stock or index fund, and a detailed page will appear, displaying the price and historical data of your chosen investment. To complete the purchase, click the Buy button. Then enter the amount you wish to invest in the input box and click the Preview button. Review the details, confirm, and click the Place Order button to finalize the transaction. Upon confirmation, your S&P 500 index fund will be purchased and added to your account.